What are the main trends you see in the corrugated board industry today, and how is your company responding to these challenges?
Thank you. The main trends we see in the way the things are going is more and more automation. More, the idea is not to remove the operators, but to make the operator more technician than manual handlings. So the idea more and more, and the request we have is more to make the machine much more automated with unitizer and things like that. That's really a big trend we see.
What new technologies or products are you presenting at this expo, and how can they improve production processes for our viewers?
We show the first new MC machine. So the MC machine is a small machine with a really small footprint, because the machine is less than 10 meters from the feeder to the delivery, and with a fast as possible setup time in between two jobs. And if we are just die cutting, we can make the jobs, changing jobs in less than 2 minutes. And so the new machine has been installed in France, the first one. The next one will go to UK, and maybe the third one will go to US.
In your opinion, what will be the biggest challenge for corrugated board manufacturers in the next 5 years, and how is your company helping them to address these challenges?
We are French manufacturers, so the challenge, to be honest, is to compete with lower price that you can find from Far East or Asian markets. And so the point for us is to keep the same or to increase the quality, not increasing the price, because we have to compete with some people that can or are able to produce sometimes lower quality, but for sure with less manpower cost. So that's the point for us. But we don't want to reduce the quality of our machine, and we want to keep them be French made and to dispatch worldwide, because we want to keep the same quality level, accuracy, reliability. This is really a point for us, but we cannot increase the price. We have to be careful of that.
How does your company support sustainability and eco-friendliness in the corrugated board industry?
Exactly as the same. We are really pleased because we are more than 90% of our purchases that are coming from France. So we want to reduce the footprint carbon on the machine with some spare parts coming some really close from where we are. And it's also a question of quality of the items and to make them last long time. I remember that we've got some offer from lower quality items, and the lady was really proud to say, "Oh, but when it's used, you can throw it to the garbage." I say to her, "No, I'm sorry. I prefer to work with some absolute chamber Dr. Blade in carbon fiber, because they last a long time and they are almost everlasting." And this is the way we see how to protect our customers, how to try to protect also the planet, to keep strong, reliable quality components in our machines.
What message would you like to share with corrugated board manufacturers worldwide who are watching this report?
Please dare to go and ask to some small French company. We are really pleased to serve you worldwide, and so we are happy of that. And so do not hesitate to ask if you have any question about the machine that we can do and the solution we can afford. And if you have some suggestions or some things we should add, please dare to tell it, because that's the best way for us to improve the quality and the project or the product we have in our range of items.
Thank you for the interview.